Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So one thing's for sure, we've broken through structure. So we finally got a very strong break to the upside. So this is indicating a weak dollar. So that was something to do with the noise that came out yesterday from the Feds, more than likely. Not that I know what they were saying, I didn't even bother looking. But what it does set up for us is a crossover on the daily now as well. So we are above all the moving averages, crossover. Still looks like a bit of a flag from the previous move down. Also looks like a inverted head and shoulders forming. And this daily pin bar here is 18877. Pretty sure there were a lot of stops in this zone as well because people were looking for a short off here. Don't like the way the oscillators are looking on the daily at the moment, so it could be a flash in the pan as well. So what is the logic? The logic is quite simple. We've been going nowhere, we've broken up quite high, we are now ranging. So either we should form some form of a flag to come and test structure, and I'm going to put the levels in I want to pay attention to. This is 108877 and also 108775. So that's a zone that I want to be paying attention to. However, if we drop down to the hour, strong move up. Hindsight being a perfect science, we got above the moving averages and went sideways above the moving averages. So any break to the upside, we should have, in actual fact, when we did the video yesterday, we should have already said there's a potential for this trend line break and run. Anyway, hindsight is always a perfect science. So for me, quite simple. Looking for pullbacks. 108877. That's the zone that we're looking at, and I'm looking to buy. So that's kind of the short and sweet of it. This could also be a flag break. So if that's, let me just draw this in. So there, and then I draw the line along the bottom. You can draw the line along the bottom. Use your imagination. It's there. Strong move up flag. We've broken that. So what I would also do is let me take this level, bring it up to there. If we find support at 109 dead, so break above it, just get moving a little bit higher, come back, find support here, I would be looking for a long. What we're looking for target wise, if I remember correctly, there is fairly strong structure at 109326. So come back here, 15 minutes. So this is a fairly strong level at 109100. So I wouldn't be too surprised if price hit that, turn around, come back, and you'd be able to buy off 109. You're looking for a break of yesterday's high. If you get that right, so that's another entry opportunity, break retest of that, you're looking for 109326. So that's kind of the view that I've got. Pretty much the only instrument that I trade that actually looks like there's an opportunity. So yeah, that's kind of my view for today. It's looking like a breakout, and it's looking like it is to continue. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.